Scene opens with a person smiling and walking toward a garden. The camera follows them as they pull out weeds, plant flowers, and water plants in their garden. The person laughs and enjoys themselves as the scene fades out. Scene fades in with an older person happily playing with their grandchildren and chasing them around the park. They laugh and have fun together as they play. The scene fades out. Narrator begins with a warm and engaging tone. Our stiff, aching joints keeping you from doing the things you love most. Whether it's playing with your kids, tending to your garden, exercising, or just walking comfortably, if you're dealing with joint pain, inflammation, or stiffness, you're not alone. Millions of people face these challenges every single day. But there's hope. There's a natural way to support your joints and regain the freedom to move with comfort. And that's where Joint Advanced Support can help. Cut to visuals of the supplement bottle plus animation of healthy joints moving smoothly. Our natural supplement is scientifically formulated to improve overall joint health. What sets it apart is its unique blend of natural ingredients that tackle the root causes of joint discomfort, including inflammation, stiffness, and reduced flexibility. Cut to an animation of inflammation around a knee joint, then show it calming down. Here's how it works. First, Joint Advance helps reduce inflammation, a primary driver of joint pain. Inflammation can cause the breakdown of cartilage and other joint tissues, leading to discomfort and stiffness. By addressing inflammation, Joint Advance provides much-needed relief. Secondly, Joint Advance tackles stiffness, allowing for greater range of motion in your joints. Stiffness can make everyday activities challenging. Fortunately, Joint Advance supports healthy synovial fluid production, which lubricates your joints and lets you move with ease. Finally, Joint Advance supports long-term joint health, helping you strengthen and protect your joints over time. Unlike pain-masking solutions, Joint Advance nourishes your joints, promoting long-lasting mobility and flexibility. Cut to active lifestyle clips. Hiking, stretching, dancing. Now imagine being able to move with more comfort and less pain. Picture yourself staying active in the hobbies and activities you love without the worry of joint discomfort holding you back. With Joint Advance, you can experience 1. Comfort and mobility. Say goodbye to the days of feeling weighed down by stiff, sore joints. Joint Advance helps you rediscover the freedom of movement you deserve. 2. Enhanced flexibility. Whether you want to stretch, bend, or twist, Joint Advance supports your joints in achieving a greater range of motion. 3. Long-lasting relief. Unlike temporary fixes, Joint Advance provides long-term joint support, helping you maintain comfort and mobility over time. Cut to testimonial style clip. Smiling older adults saying they feel more mobile, more active. Since starting Joint Advance, I feel more mobile and active than I have in years. It's amazing to feel this way at my age. I'm able to keep up with my grandkids and enjoy every moment without any joint pain or stiffness. Scene transitions to a close-up of the product bottle with the text Joint Advance support. Take back your mobility. Narrator with a confident tone. If you're ready to take control of your joint health and get back to living life on your terms, don't wait. Click the link in the comments section below to learn more about Joint Advance and how it can support your mobility. Don't let joint pain decide what you can or can't do. Take action today with Joint Advance Support. Scene fades out. Hey, did you know that your gut has a huge impact on your overall health? Well, if you'd like to learn more about your gut health, we have an expertly crafted guide available for you. In this comprehensive guide, you'll discover the crucial role your gut health plays in your well-being. You'll also learn practical tips and advice on improving your gut health for better digestion, a stronger immune system, and even a healthier skin. To get your free guide, simply click the link provided. But act fast! This offer is only available for a limited time.